Hey guys, Erica with a K here. Today's video is going to be on a decluttering of a bunch of miscellaneous beauty products that I have between hair and pretty much facial stuff. A cluttered mind is no good, and I feel like the more clutter I have in this house and the more beauty products are cluttered or anything like that, the less I'm likely to grab or try new things. And I kind of just want to break away from that. I want to try a lot of new things for you guys, for my channel and everything like that. So let's just get into decluttering some clutter that I have of beauty products. All right, so let's get into this. So I'm going to be keeping on here the things that I'm going to keep, and I'll be putting down on the bottom shelf things I'm going to get rid of. Okay, so let's start with these. This kind of inspired the whole thing. These are my Limelight Balcone face products. So I have the Skin Therapist, I have the Sotox, and I have the Must Do. I'm getting rid of each one of these because they honestly, they stink. So I'm going to get rid of them. They like literally smell. Like I don't mean they stink as in they're poor products. I mean they literally smell. I'm going to be keeping the One Drop Wonder. I never really reached for it, but that cost me $84. So I'm not getting rid of it. Definitely not. Okay, let's see. The coconut oil, this is a facial mist. I'll keep that. I have this one too, which is brand new. I have the rose water, which I actually use pretty regularly. I have this Player Waves, which I never use, but I have to. I have these samples of Rodan & Fields. I will be keeping these. This is literally so old. I don't know, maybe from like the 90s. Does anybody know how old this is? Anybody? 90s maybe? Probably. I'm going to get rid of it. I think it's time. What else do I have? I have another hydrating mask. I have these products. I have a lot of samples. I really want to go through my samples and actually like put out videos for you guys. So I'm not going to be getting rid of a lot of my samples. Just so you guys know. Okay, I have baby oil. I'll keep that. I have this charcoal facial stuff. I'm going to keep that. I would like to do a video or at least a blog on it. I have more Rodan & Fields samples than I know what to do with. But I'm going to be keeping it. I'm going to keep it. I have this facial scrub, which I literally never used. I'm going to be keeping it. This is a makeup remover. It's one of those makeup removers, like water thing. I'm going to keep it. But maybe I'll put this in my makeup bag because I don't use this personally. So what's the point, right? I'm going to put that in my makeup bag. I have this charcoal body wash polish stuff. I actually have to like use that, but I haven't. I have this, which I've opened and I've used, and I have a video or a blog on it, but I can get more use out of that. So let's keep that. I definitely have a blog on this one. This right here. I have a lot of charcoal stuff. So let's keep that, and let's keep this. Here's another charcoal. I mean, this is like my charcoal section. Everything over here is charcoal, I guess. It's crazy. I'm sorry. I don't even know what you guys can see, what you can't. This is getting crazy. Let's start moving these back. So this coconut oil one is not even open, so there's no reason for it to be up front. What are these? Are these samples? Samples I didn't even know I had. All right, these are hair samples, so I'll definitely be using these. Curl stuff. Curl stuff. Cool, cool, cool. More samples. Okay, this is Pond's Cold Cream. I'm keeping that. This is the sample hair product. Okay, this bothers me because it says it's a 3-minute peel, but it's actually not a peel. You rinse it off. That kind of bothers me because I wanted it to be a peel, but I'm going to keep it anyway because I haven't tried it yet. This I need to actually use. This is good for my curly hair. Move my baby oil back here. Let's see what these are. These are some more samples. We have the Diva Curl Super Cream Define Control, and we have the Balm to Oil Pre-Shampoo Mask. Okay, cool. So I'll definitely wind up using these. We'll move these to the front. After Sun Oil Lotion, we'll be keeping that. Okay, all the way in the back. I have this face sheet mask. I'll definitely use that. That'll be fun. I'll use that one eventually. And then here is another Frizz Fighting Coconut and whatever oil Curl Whip Styling Souffle. Very fancy. I'll definitely use that, so we'll keep that in the front. This is a Rodan & Fields sample. We'll use that. This one hasn't been open yet, so I'm going to just kind of move this to the back a little bit. I already talked about my Rodan & Fields samples. Okay, let's see. Sample, 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 sample. We're going to keep all these samples. It'll be fun to use those one day. This I brought to Vegas with me last year. It was my go-to hair product, and I barely used any of it. This is all I would use in my hair. I actually really liked it, so maybe I'll consider taking it again this year. This, I got an entire collection of all of these sent to me. I don't know if if they came with purchase or what, but they were at work for me, which I was shocked about because I never really give out my work address. So yeah, definitely wind up using this eventually. These two I've talked about in the past. These are like my favorite hair products. They came in a Birchbox, and I think that they're exclusive to Birchbox, but my mom gave me hers because she doesn't really use hair products. So yeah, I got really lucky with that. This is a curl shampoo that I was using to do a video on, and I just never really got back into it, so I have to do that. This I have to actually use in life. I think that was part of my panning project, and I just kind of gave up on it because I got the Brazilian blowout done in my hair. R&Co has quickly become one of my favorite products. I haven't used this. I've literally only used their dry shampoo, but they're just amazing. So yeah, I'll keep that. This Bee Curl, I'll keep that. And then these are dry shampoos, which I will definitely keep. I have to start rotating them through my Project Pan collection. So, alright, that I'm actually keeping way more than I thought I would be, but a lot of it is samples, and I just actually have to like get through it. So that'll be fun. Thank you guys so much for your love and support. Please don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already, and please don't forget to enter my giveaways. I have a ton of them going on right now. All you have to do is subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow me on Instagram, which I will link below, and then comment on the giveaway that you want to win, your Instagram username, and that's it. Oh, and you have to be 18 or older, but that's it. So thank you guys so much, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Work hard, dream big, eat cake. Bye guys.